Well, I'm back getting me some Ohio gold here. You've seen on my some of my other videos, I'm here in the same spot that I've been digging for a while, but as you can see, the water is way up. I mean, it's way up from my last couple videos. But if you haven't seen my videos, I've been digging right here. There's a nice little sandbar that went all the way down through here that's been washing material from this big area of sandbar. But yeah, I'm down here again, getting me a little bit of gold. The water's up. I've got my warm waders on, my rubbers on, so I'm not too bad. It might be getting to 50 degrees or something. I've got one bucket classified down to an eighth of an inch. I'm seeing a couple little pieces in there. I've only put a couple little scoops in there. You probably can't see them because of the light, but they're in there. So I'll probably run maybe 2 or 3 buckets. But yeah, I'm really surprised on how high this water is. It's about 2 foot deeper than what it was last time I was down here, probably a week ago or so. But yeah, that's what I got going on today. Yeah, I can't believe how high this water is. We really haven't had any rain at all. I think the reason the water's so high is because a few miles upstream there's a big lake, and they open it up once a year, kind of drain it down a little bit. But we really haven't had much rain this year, so I don't know. Last time I was up by that lake, it was pretty low, so I don't see them opening it. They may have, I don't know. But the water, I don't know if you can tell, it's super green. It's usually what it looks like when they open up those dams on that lake there in Jamestown. But yeah, that's what I got going on today. I'll make another video here, and when I do a cleanup, and then I'll make another video and show you what I got. I've been getting a whole bunch of really fine stuff. I mean, this is one of the best spots I've found around this area. So, yeah, I'm actually on the edge of Xenia, Ohio, kind of in between Xenia and Wilmington, Ohio. So, yeah, and if you don't think there's any gold, there is gold in Ohio. You might not find any really big pieces, but there's plenty of small stuff. There's really a whole lot of it just spread out all through Ohio from all the glaciers coming down through Canada years and years ago. But this has been a really good spot for me. So I'll get back to it and see how much I can run. I think it's supposed to be about 56 degrees today, so it shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully the sun's not killing the camera there, but yeah, I have a good time coming down here and stuff, finding gold. But, well, I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Well, I'm going to do me a cleanup now. Get this box all cleaned out. Gloves on here. I've only run 1 bucket. Got a couple things I need to go do, so I was hoping to get a couple more buckets going, but not going to work out for me, which is alright. I'm seeing some gold in there. Well, I've seen a few pieces in there. The water was running a little fast today, so hopefully I've got more down here in my riffle. Set up here, all over on me. All right. Yeah, I think I'm going to pan this down here so I can make a little video and show you what I'm getting here once I get this cleaned out. Rocket bottle here. Hopefully you can see most of that. I see a few pieces in there. Yeah, like I said in my last videos, I swapped out my carpet for some deep V matting. Seems to be catching a lot better than what that really tight carpet's doing. So, yeah, I swapped it out and it seems like it's doing pretty good. I need to come down here and maybe put my carpet back in just to see the difference. But it seems like I'm getting a lot more like really fine gold with the deep V matting. And when you're putting your expanded metal back in, make sure you're putting it in the right way. You want you can see here, you want your raised spots, you want it to lay this way, because if you have it laid each one of these causes a little eddy behind it. If you get it flipped over, you get it this way, the water will hit those raised pieces, and it'll make a reverse eddy, I guess, and it'll push everything out from what you have caught underneath. So you want to make sure you put your expanded metal in right. That way it'll do what it's supposed to be doing instead of flushing your gold out of your box. Put all this back together here. Now I'll get my pan out, I'll pan this out, and then I'll make another video once I get it panned down. There we go. Well, I'll make another video here in just a minute, show you what I'm getting. Got everything panned out. There's a whole bunch of really small pieces in there. I don't know if you can really see those. Well, there's a few of them in there. If I can get my arm out of the light here, we might be able to see it. But there's a few in there. See ya.